In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the author's name in Wix. We'll breeze through the process together, explaining each and every step in a way that's easy to follow. We'll start our journey from your Wix account. Simply log into Wix using your username and password, and once you're successfully logged in, navigate your way to your site's dashboard. This dashboard is the control room of your site. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Among the various options you will see, click on the one labeled Blog. This will take you to a whole new universe where you manage and simplify various blog-related elements of your site. With the blog menu open, our next stop is Writers. You'll find this option listed, look for it, and choose it to continue. This is the place where you can manage and edit the data about the authors enrolled for your blog. As your writers list appears, it's exploration time. Move across the list, scrutinizing each name as you pass. Decide the author whose name you want to edit. The decision is yours to make. Once you've taken your pick, look for a More Actions icon appearing as 3 dots next to their name and click it. This useful icon will open up new windows of possibilities for you. Upon clicking the More Actions icon, a drop-down list will appear. Out of the many options, we're interested in the one labeled Edit. A click here will bring you to the precise place where the magic happens, where you change the author's name. Now, you're prompted with a text box waiting for you. This is the place where you'll introduce your new author name, replacing the old one. Type in the new name, and while you're at it, feel free to update any other information as you see fit. Maybe play around with their image. Just ensure you've accurately updated the desired information. Once you're satisfied with the changes and everything appears exactly as you want it, it's time to make it official. There should be an option labeled Save at the bottom of the page. Click it. It's as simple as that. This important click will apply and cement all your hard work and changes. And voila! You've just successfully changed the author's name in Wix. Now, go ahead and explore the newfound potentials of your updated blog. Congratulations! You've done it!